Atkins Civil 3D video series, Storm 3C, branch storm alignments and profiles. This video illustrates A. Alignment and profile default settings. B. Create profile view grid sheets. C. Create branch alignments and profile views. D. Create surface and branch pipe profiles. And E. Adjustments to alignment and profile views. Branch storm profiles are created in their own profile view. Generally, the length of the branch storms are fairly short, and several branch profile views are shown on a single profile grid sheet. A miscellaneous alignment is required for each branch storm profile. Set defaults for branch storm. Layer defaults, right-click drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, alignment, C3D align freeze, alignment labeling, C3D align text freeze. Okay. Right-click alignment, edit feature settings, default styles, alignment pipe style, pipe net align, marker style none, alignment label set, no labels, leave others as default, default name format, alignment name template, -Kincaid. The name of alignment is the station of the downstream branch structure and the road name the structure is on. Leave others as default. OK. Right-click profile, edit feature settings, default styles, profile label set, profile no label set, profile style, profile data reference, default name format, alignment name, leave others as default, OK. Profile view, edit feature settings, default styles, marker style none, profile view style, pipe network, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical, profile label set, profile no label set, leave others as default, OK. Insert the profile grid sheet into the drawing. Enter. Browse, drawing reference, Atkins profile grid sheet, open, specify on screen, place check mark, scale 20, do not place check mark, rotation 0, do not place check mark, explode yes, place check mark, OK. Pick an area below the side road profiles. For the lower left corner of the grid sheet, if needed, move the grid sheets to the desired location. Enter. 2 grid sheets are inserted. Use the vertical 1 inch equals 5 feet. Erase the vertical 1 inch equals 3 feet. Enter. Make 2 copies of the grid sheet to the right. Enter. Select the grid sheet. Enter. And move horizontally for 2 grid sheets. Escape. The border around each pre-formatted grid sheet is set up for plotting using the section paper space viewport area on Atkins plan production template. The vertical grid lines for the horizontal stations are spaced at 50-foot intervals for a plotted horizontal scale of 1 inch equals 20 feet, and the horizontal grid lines for the vertical elevations are spaced at 5-foot intervals for a plotted vertical scale of 1 inch equals 5 feet. It is best to create the branch pipe alignment and profiles at the same time so that the pipes and structures to be included in the profile view will automatically be selected. Profiles can be created at a later time. However, the network structure and pipes need to be selected from the list of network parts. This could be a little cumbersome if there are many parts in the network. Each branch pipe run will have its own profile view with a name that is referenced to the station of the downstream structure and will be plotted on the profile grid sheet. After creation, the profile views can easily be moved to a desired location on the grid sheet. Generally, profiles are created with stationing increasing from left to right. The structure at the lowest station should initially be selected for the desired orientation of the profile view. For this video, the branch profiles along Kincaid will be viewed looking to the west or left. Along the branch storm alignments, the lower stations will be to the south and the higher to the north. After creation, the stationing of each branch alignment will be adjusted so that 10+00 is at the center line of a crossing road. The drawing shows two horizontal viewports with plan on top and profile grid sheet on bottom. Pick the most southern structure in a branch run. In the context-sensitive ribbon, pick alignment from network and pick the most northern structure in the run. Enter. In the created alignment from pipe network dialog box, site none, name, enter the station-road name for the downstream structure. If station is not visible, use 10+00. Can easily be changed later. 10+00-Kincaid. Type miscellaneous, starting station 10+00, alignment style pipe network, alignment layer, C3D align freeze, alignment label style, no labels, create profile and profile view, place check mark, OK. In the create profile from surface, alignment, check that the name is correct, station rain to sample, leave as default, select surfaces, hold shift key down, and select the existing surface and the top surface, add, check the style, existing surface, existing ground, OK. Kin top surface, profile data, select draw and profile view, do not select OK. In the create profile view dialog box, general, check that the name is correct, profile view name, parent alignment, description none, profile view style, profile network, 20 horizontal, 5 vertical, profile view layer, C3D profile view, do not select offset profiles, remove checkmark, station range, user specified, start 9+00, end 11:00. The start and end station of the alignment will later be modified, but the profile view station range will remain the same. Profile view height, user specified, minimum, enter an even 5 foot that is a minimum of 5 feet below the current minimum elevation. 445. Maximum, enter an even 1 foot that is above the current maximum elevation. 455. Do not split profile view, leave unchecked, profile display options. Draw the existing surface and the existing top surface. Pipe pressure network. The parts that are included in the branch run are checked. Create profile view. With snap on, pick an intersection point of a horizontal and vertical grid line. The profile view with profiles will be displayed. Move the profile view to a desired location. Pick the label. Pick the left end point of the bottom axis and move to a desired location. OK. Change the name of the profile view. Pick the profile view name label. In Properties palette, change the name to the station of the structure, 1870, 18+70. Enter. Extend the start and end points of the alignment to enhance the display of the existing and top surface. Pick the alignment in plan view. Pick the glyph at the start of the alignment. Move approximately 20 feet south of the structure using the current alignment as a guide and pick, escape. At times, it may be desired to insert an angle point in the alignment in order to display the existing and top surface profiles beyond the structure at right angles to the road. Pick the alignment. Move cursor and right-click. Edit alignment geometry. Alignment layout tools. Pick the Insert PI icon. Pick a point in the current alignment near the structure. Draw a temporary line from end point of alignment at the center of the structure. L enter to start the line command. Pick the end point of the current alignment. Move to a clear area and pick. Escape. Pick the alignment. Pick the end point. Move approximately at right angles to the road and approximately at 20 feet from the structure. Pick. Pick the angle point glyph. Move to the end point of the temporary line and pick. Escape. Erase the temporary line. Pick the line and delete. Escape. Adjust the location to 10+00. Pick the alignment. Move cursor and right click. Alignment properties. Station control. Station 10+00. Pick the location for 10+00. Pick the icon. In the warning box, OK. Zoom in and pick the intersection of the alignment with the center line. Intersection. Pick. Apply. OK. The alignment at 10+00 is at the center line of the road and is located along a vertical grid line. Adjust the elevation of the branch storm pipes. Draw a temporary reference polyline that is approximately 3 feet below the finished surface. PL enter to start the polyline command. Pick several points along the top surface. Escape. M enter to start the move command. Pick the polyline. Enter. Pick a point. Move vertically downward. Enter 12, which is 3 feet at the 4:1 vertical scale factor. Enter. Pick a pipe. And use the end glyphs to move the pipes to the desired elevation using invert of previous pipe and the polyline as a reference for the approximate depth of cover. Escape. Pick a structure, move cursor right click, structure properties, check the reference surface and the reference alignment. This structure is along Kincaid. Check the insertion rim elevation, check the sump depth, 0. Enter, apply, OK. Repeat for the other structures. Structure properties, surface reference and alignment's OK, rim elevation OK, sump depth 0. Apply, OK, escape, structure. This structure is along North 44th Street and the reference is correct. Sump depth is 0. Apply, OK. The drawing shows a grid sheet in which center line, station 10+00, and several branch pipe profile views have been added thereto. Each profile view is located so that the road crossing station of 10+00 is at the same vertical grid line. Each profile view is arranged with the lowest station near the lower left corner of the grid sheet and with each succeeding higher station profile view being placed directly above or if not room to the right at the bottom of a new column. The start and end stations of the profile view should be set at even 50-foot stations and where practical should be equidistant from 10+00 so that the profile view names line up vertically. To change the appearance of a profile view, pick the name, move the cursor and right click, profile view properties, stations tab, user specified range, start station 950, end station 1050, which is equidistant from 10+00 and the start station. Apply, OK. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.